Hi, this is James from ALYN BREWIS in Ashton. Here we've got a really nice example of a 2015 Ford Fiesta ZETEC-S 1 litre EcoBoost 3-door, presented in deep impact blue metallic, which is a really nice colour. With it being the ZETEC-S, you get the exterior styling pack, so you've got the rear spoiler, the side skirts along the bottom, along with the front splitter as well. Despite the sportier looks, the road tax is only £20 for the year, which I'm jealous of. The rear diffuser there as well. On the inside, you've got a heated windscreen, aircon, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a multifunction steering wheel. A centre armrest there,